What is up, you guys? I just wanted to share this with you guys really quick because my husband's ready to use it now before me. I'm gonna let him go ahead even though I don't want to. But you guys, I just found this Visage, I'm not sure how you say it, Deluxe Foot Spa with heat, soothing heat in Aldi's grocery store, y'all. Okay, you guys will never believe how much it costs. Ooh. Okay, it has 3 settings. You can see here, one is bubbles, heat, bubbles and heat, girl. It got a splash guard, dual foot massage rollers, textured basin. So all of these grooves are for like a good massage. These rollers are for a good massage. I don't know if you guys can see in there, there's a little button. This is like an indicator light. And it's a really like wide, nice size. It has a 3-year warranty on it already. This is what it looks like here. Now, a few years ago, I used to have one of these, and I paid $80 for mine. $80. So, y'all, when I seen this for $19.99, we was like, oh, we getting this. We are getting this, okay? So, this is a great, one of my early Christmas gifts, even though he using it first. I'm still happy to have it. I've been wanting another one for a long time. So this was like a super good find. I couldn't believe it, y'all. Aldi's grocery store. So if you guys are looking for a good gift for yourself, to give yourself a good little foot spa massage and all that good stuff, nice pedicure, you know, soak your feet before you polish them, cut them toenails. This would be so nice, you know, to soak your feet in before you do that. And I love these. It's one of my favorite things. I love to get the bath bombs and break little pieces off and put them in here and let my feet soak in those. So yeah, this is like a must-have. Let me see. I think I'll open it really quick and show you guys what it looks like. Splash shield. This thing. Alright, here we go. So yes, it's nice and deep. Oh, this is really nice. And then it has a splash guard to go on it. So yes, y'all, this was a good find. I'm really excited about this. So yeah, you guys, $20 at Aldi's. If you guys are interested, go find one. If you guys go pick one up and find one, y'all let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you are new. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel right now. Bye, y'all.